Welcome viewers. Today's topic is the concept of the Islamic State, a central theme in political science and Islamic studies. Examiners expect three things: core principles from Qur'an and Sunnah, insights of classical scholars, contributions of modern thinkers. Let's cover all three systematically.
First, we will study core principles of Islamic State. The Islamic State rests on fundamental principles. Number 1. Sovereignty of Allah. The command is for none but Allah, Quran 12:40. Authority belongs to God, and rulers act as trustees.
Supremacy of Shari'ah. Quran and Sunnah are the ultimate sources of law. Shura, consultation, and those who conduct their affairs by mutual consultation. Quran 42-38. Rulers must govern with collective input.
Justice. Indeed, Allah commands justice and good conduct. Quran 16-90.
Number 4. Accountability of ruler. Prophet said, "The leader is a guardian and will be asked about his subjects." Bukhari, Muslim. Number 5. Welfare of people. The state must protect religion, life, intellect, property, and honor. The 5 Maqasid al-Shari'ah.
Classical thinkers. Muslim thinkers across centuries gave practical and philosophical depth to this idea. Small Diamond al-Farabi described the virtuous city, where the ruler resembles a philosopher prophet, guiding people towards moral perfection.
Al-Mawardi in Al-Akam al-Sultaniya outlined duties of the caliph: safeguarding faith, enforcing justice, defense of frontiers and welfare.
Imam Ghazali argued political authority is necessary. Without it, religion and worldly affairs collapse into chaos. Ibn Rushd reconciled reason and revelation, promoting rational governance within Islamic principles. Ibn Taymiyyah emphasized that the ruler must enforce Sharia and serve justice, but absolute monarchy is unacceptable. Nizam ul-Mulk Tusi, in Siyasatnama, gave practical guidelines: justice and taxation, accountability of officials, and prevention of corruption. Shah Waliullah Dehlavi balanced divine law and public welfare, stressing social justice, economic fairness, and unity of the ummah.
With colonialism and modernity, reformers redefined the Islamic State. Jamal-ud-Din Afghani viewed the Islamic State as a unifying power against imperialism. Allama Iqbal envisioned spiritual democracy, where sovereignty belongs only to God, but people participate through ijtihad. Rashid Rida called for revival of the caliphate with shura, ijtihad, and adaptability to modern challenges.
In conclusion, the Islamic State is not theocracy nor pure monarchy. It is a system built on divine sovereignty, justice, consultation, accountability, and welfare. From al-Farabi, virtuous city, to Iqbal's spiritual democracy, Muslim thinkers shaped its vision for every age.
Thank you for watching. Check playlist for more. Comment if you need notes.